Okay, before I get started on the makeup, I just want to do my hair first. So I put in some clip-in extensions. I made these myself. I will have a video up on how I made these. They were like a tiny bit damp when I put them in, and I just straightened my hair and now my roots are like curling up, so that's great. I'm just gonna do a really quick hairstyle. So this is kind of what I would do if I was still in school. Oh my god, I definitely have to go back in with a straightener to fix this. This hair is by Julia Hair Company and it's their Peruvian body wave, I'm pretty sure. I think it was 22, 20, and 18 inches. Basically what I'm gonna do is take like part right here section. I made sure to leave out some of the hair on this side, and I'm literally just going to put that in half and twist it. And whenever, like, obviously I'm not in school anymore, but I would always do hairstyles like this when going to school. Like, I always had like half up, like, or half like clipped away hairstyles because it was like so easy. And I hate it when my hair was in the way when I was like doing tests or just like, you know, doing my schoolwork. But oh my gosh, like, I'm gonna be going back to school after the summer. I'm so excited. And like, people are like, why are you excited to go back to school? But like, I genuinely am so excited to be going to school again. I'll be doing more of like an in-depth video on it, but still not finalized, but I'm working on everything right now. But I'm planning on going to college in Los Angeles, which means I'll be moving overseas this summer, which is crazy and so like unreal. I can't believe that's actually happening. It's super surreal that it's happening, and like, even though it's not finalized, like, obviously I'm working towards it and it's in the making. I'm so extremely excited to move. I've been wanting to move for years and I'm glad it's finally happening. I just have to be a little bit more patient. I actually had to take this test a couple weeks ago. It's a test to like see what level, I guess, of English you're at. I felt like I did super bad, so I was like, oh, like, I'm probably gonna fail this. I'm not gonna get a high enough score. But I got my results back yesterday and actually got a 92, which is pretty good. A 92 out of 120. So that honestly isn't even bad. And like, let me try this again. This does not look good. I checked the website of the school that I'm planning on going to, and it said that I needed a 40, was it 45? It was, I needed something like a 45 and I got a 92. So I definitely passed that, and I'm like all good in that department, which just makes me feel really good because that's something I was scared about. I was like, oh, watch me like not get a high enough score and then everything's ruined and I have to retake it, and the test is like $200. Like, it's so expensive. I should have just like actually blow dried these extensions, and like, because I dyed them black to match my hair last night and they weren't completely dry yet, and I just spent like an hour straightening my hair and then I put them in damp and it just made my roots curl up again. So that's great. Obviously, when you're getting ready for school, you're gonna be faster than this, but I'm just showing you like a hairstyle for school and a makeup look, and like, I'm talking through it, so this is gonna be a long video probably. Damn, like, I straightened it so well. I know I just ruined all of that work. But yeah, like, as I said, I'm really excited to be going back to school. I know that sounds so lame, but I'm just excited. I'm planning on studying fashion, fashion merchandising, and that just makes me even more excited. Like, I'll be studying something that I really like and that I'm like super interested in. Okay, I think I'm gonna grab a bigger section and actually just braid, because I think that's going to just stay in a bit better and a bit more secure. I used to do braids all the time on myself when I still went to school, especially back in high school. Oh my god, I'd always have my hair braided back, always. Like, half of my hair would be braided back and it was so cute. It was such a thing. It was like really my look, and it was like easy for me to put my hair like that. Usually I do like a French braid though, but I don't feel like doing that right now. We're getting somewhere now. This really needs to be fixed. All of my roots are curling up and I'm so annoyed because I straightened my hair so well just now. For the makeup look, like, it might be like a lot for some people, but I think it's like, I wore a full face of makeup to school most of the time. My last year of school, not really, because I like literally did not care anymore. I was so ready to just like drop out. I didn't, I finished, but the last year of school I was just like not giving a fuck anymore, and I usually wouldn't wear makeup and I'd wear like sweatpants, and I wasn't really trying anymore. I feel like I'm still like, oh, I don't really care that much. Like I definitely wouldn't wear makeup to school every day, because like what's the point? Like it's fun though. Like it's fun to like dress yourself up and look cute, but I don't care that much about school that I have to like wear makeup like every day, especially since you're already not getting a lot of sleep. So it's just like nice to be able to sleep in a bit and not put on makeup. This side looks better. Oh, I have to redo this side again. But yeah, like I wouldn't wear makeup to school every day, but I feel like if I had to go to school right now and I wanted to put on makeup, like sometimes you just want to put it on because you just feel not like that cute and you just want to kind of make yourself look a bit better, you know? You guys really liked my last Chit Chat Get Ready With Me, so I decided I'll just do them more. I guess it's more fun to watch than just see me do stuff and have music play in the background. Okay, this hair is not that cute. I'm just like, it's just not working out. And I think that's because I messed up and I put these extensions in while my hair was, or while the hair was damp. Alright, it's like not even, but yeah, this hair is by Julia's Hair Company. As I said, it's their Peruvian body wave, and I feel like I can't really tell a huge difference between Brazilian and Peruvian. I want to try Peruvian because I always try Brazilian, and I just felt like I wanted to see what the difference was. I would say the only difference is probably like that it's a bit more, I wouldn't even say coarse, like it's just not as soft as Brazilian hair. But I think that with hair like mine, Peruvian would match it better. Yeah, I'm going to leave all the links to this hair down below if you want to purchase it or if you want to check out Julia's Hair Company. And I think I'm just going to get started with the makeup now. I do have to do my brows, which I'm going to skip through because my brows always take very long. I just did my brows and now I look crazy. I'm going to start out with primer, and I'm using the Milani Prime Protect because it's just a very simple, affordable primer. Not everything I'm using is affordable, but that's also not what this tutorial is. If you want to know what my like staple and like holy grail affordable makeup products are, I will leave the link down below, or I'll put it up in annotation or up there, one of the two. But I'm just putting this primer on. I feel like this primer is really nice for just moisturizing, and I'm not going to be wearing this makeup for too long, so I don't need anything like super long lasting. So I'm not going to be wearing foundation today because you can wear foundation to school, but I feel like it's just nicer to keep it very light and just save some time of blending your foundation. So I'm going to be putting on two different concealers, the LA Girl Pro Concealer in Creamy Beige and my Too Faced Born This Way Concealer in Medium. I think I'm just going to start out with putting this Too Faced concealer underneath my eyes. I still need to wet my beauty blender. I always forget to do it before I start filming. And I want a little bit of it on here because I have some dark spots around my mouth, around my nose. Yeah. I'm going to be putting a bit of the LA Girl Pro Concealer on top because it just adds some coverage, and it's a bit more peachy tone, like not crazy but a little bit. The Born This Way concealer is very yellow and it's a bit more peachy, so it kind of, I don't know, I'm doing it. I'm gonna wet my beauty blender real quick. It's so disgusting. It's like there's holes in there. I need to buy a new one, but I'm just gonna blend this out. I'm gonna start around my mouth, and by using a sponge, it's just going to blend it out a lot more natural. And I'm gonna get underneath my eyes. I have really bad dark circles because my sleep schedule is starting to improve. I've been taking melatonin to help me fall asleep, and it's been working, so that's nice. It's not like a miracle product that makes you just fall asleep out of nowhere, but it's really good at just kind of helping you. Like when I put my phone down and I close my eyes, like I fall asleep a lot faster. And before I would like lay awake for hours, which was so frustrating. I'm kind of blending it over my nose because I just like covering my nose because I do have some like blackheads. And then I kind of blend it down my cheeks to make sure it's like seamlessly blending. And I blend it up, like anything that's left on my sponge, I just kind of blend around. I'm going to set this concealer with my NYX HD powder in Banana. I'm not going to bake, so I'm putting on a bit more of this than I usually would. I feel like baking can look natural, but since I'm not wearing foundation and I really just want this to be simple and, I mean, the most natural as possible, I'm not baking. It's definitely not a no makeup look, which I can do if you guys want to, but it's definitely not that. Since I look crazy pale now, we're gonna fix this, and I'll be using BH Cosmetics Studio Pro mattifying pressed powder, and usually I use a translucent powder on top of my foundation, but since I'm not wearing foundation, I'm using a colored powder to bring color to my face and I guess a little bit of coverage, I guess. It's actually kind of dark but we're gonna make it work. I look really orange on camera, but I promise I'm not. So now that that's done, I'm going to be contouring my nose and then putting on bronzer. And I'm just gonna contour and bronze with one product, which is the Too Faced Dark Chocolate Soleil Bronzer. Yeah, just want to keep it easy and simple. And I feel like this color is like cool enough to contour, but also like warm enough to bronze. Like it's a nice 2-in-1 product. Even when I do natural makeup, I still contour my nose. Just I'm so self-conscious about my nose. I'm going in a tiny bit more with the banana powder to highlight a little bit because my face looks extremely flat right now because of the powder I just put on, and it kind of got rid of that highlighted area. I need to clean my brushes. Just going to bronze my face. I look so orange on camera. I promise I'm not this orange. It's literally the lighting. Like I'm not this orange in real life. I'm not gonna put any eyeshadow on. I have some concealer on there from doing my brows and I'm just rubbing it into my skin. I'm going to highlight my face. Please don't be broken. Oh, I dropped it. Okay, push it back in. Okay, you're good, you're good. I'm going to highlight my face using the Kiko Water eyeshadow in 208. It's a gorgeous highlight and I love it. When I just started makeup, I never wore highlight, especially because I was like, no, I'm oily, I can't wear that. But now, like, I cannot live without highlighter. Like, highlighter is my light. And then to give my cheeks some color, I'm using my ZOEVA Coral Spectrum blush palette, and I'm just going to use these two colors right here and put it on my cheeks and kind of blend it up to my nose. Just use a natural like flushed effect, I guess. Also gonna put some brow gel on. I have my Anastasia brow gel in chocolate, and I actually want to do my faux beauty spots. Let me grab. This is something like extremely extra that I do that you don't have to do, of course, but I always do this. I just think it looks cute. Or something in my eye. Actually, wait, before I do that, I want to put a little bit of bronzer on a branch and underneath my eyes. And then a little bit over here, even though my eyeballs are already kind of dark. Just to create depth, like, okay, we're good. I always use the LA Girl Pro Concealer in Mahogany and this weird pointy, I think it's called like a cuticle pusher thingy, and it has like a pointy part, and I dip it in there and I make faux beauty spots. Oh, shiza. Before I put on any lip product or mascara, I'm just going to spray my face with my Badescu Rose water spray. Because I did put on quite a bit of powder and this kind of sets it down. For mascara, I'm using my Too Faced Better Than Sex little mini mascara. I have lash extensions, so I don't put mascara on my top lashes. But obviously you would do that if you don't have lash extensions on. I definitely am gonna just continue getting lash extensions. I stopped getting them done for a little bit, but like I just know I need them in my life. They're so much easier, especially when I'm gonna go back to school. Like like it just I feel better without makeup on as well, having lash extensions. Like I don't feel so dead. So to finish off this look, I'm gonna put on my Essence Natural Beauty lipstick. It's a very pinky. I haven't worn this in forever. Since that's so pink, I'm like, no thanks. I'm gonna put on my NYX Butter Gloss in Ginger Snap, which is like a dark brown. And do I like that? I don't like that. Never mind. I'm putting on my favorite Essence lip gloss, the Shine 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 lip gloss in 10 Dress Up Our Lips. Yes, queen. Yes, this is good. I've decided that I'm going to be putting the hair that I clipped back into a little ponytail to help with the thickness, because my roots like curled up so bad. I don't know if that looks good or not. Actually, I think I'm gonna put in a bun. I think that'll be really cute. I put in a ponytail and now I'm twisting it. Well, that is pretty much the hair. I'm gonna try to turn around so you can see the back. Can you see that? I hope so. Very cute. So this is the makeup, this is the hair. I'm gonna move on to the outfit, show you what I'm wearing. It's very cute, very simple, but like cute for school. Let's get into the outfit. So that is pretty much it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed it. Make sure you give it a thumbs up if you did, and of course subscribe. Also turn on my post notifications so that you will be notified every time I upload a video and you'll never miss an upload. So I upload like 3 times a week now. I've been very consistent. Follow me on my social media. I'll have a link down below, and I love you guys, and I'll see you in the next video.